Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk about all things finance and money. If you're interested in watching more videos about making money, managing your money, and general finance videos, then please hit the subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, it will be red and it will turn gray once you've subscribed. And also, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. And I will be posting 2 videos every week, so just click on that bell icon and you'll get notified every time I post. So in this video, I'll be sharing yet another method of making money in 2021 right here in South Africa. And what I like about this method is that it doesn't even require any qualification at all. You don't need to have a bachelor's degree. You don't need to have a qualification from a certain website. You don't have to have a certification. All you need to do is just have a listening and typing skill. That's it. And if you think about it, this is something that you do every day. You listen to someone every day and you type something every day. You just need to coordinate those two. So my thing is with this type of job is that, like, have you ever felt like asking a hiring manager during an interview to just give you one shot at doing the job, and you feel like according to the job description you'd really try your best and do well in the job? Well, this is the type of job that will give you a chance to do the job and evaluates you based on that attempt, because you never know until you try to do it. And since we all know that the lockdown has really caused havoc on our pockets, especially under the harder lockdown restrictions, then it's time to find a way to do online jobs and make money online. Like, if there was ever the best time to do to work online and make money from things that you can do online, then this is the best time. And you guys, the more I spend time online, like doing these freelancing jobs day in day, the more I realize that this is the best time to be alive as a young person. Like, it seems more evident that for as long as you know how to speak and read in English, then you can definitely make money online. So yeah, guys, let's just get right straight into the video. Okay, guys, so the first website that I'm gonna be recommending is Tigerfish Transcribing. And transcribing is basically listening to an audio and typing out what you hear in the audio in a certain manner. So with this website, the first website, Tigerfish, as you guys can see on the website, it describes here introduction to transcription jobs, and it says that if you are a quick typist with a good ear for language and a strong sense of written English, transcribing for Tigerfish can be a way to earn money while working at home or on the road with a flexible schedule. So with this website, they also say that as you guys can see down here, getting started, when you just go down to getting started, so you can download the guide here. They'll guide you on how transcribing works and all of that. This will be like a good thing to do if you really want to get clued up about what it's all about and how to do it properly, and just those tips, And here it says that for you to apply, you need to download the audio file and save it to your computer or laptop, and then you have 3 segments in the audio. So each segment is like 5 minutes, and then this is like a test for you. The audio consists of a focus group, an interview, and a presentation. So that's what you'll be transcribing as a part of your like recruitment process. So what you're gonna do is just follow those instructions here. So they tell you what format to put it in when you are typing the audio, when you're transcribing the audio, So yeah, you'll just follow that order right there, and then just send it to their emails and just wait for feedback. Yeah, I believe you guys will be able to go through this and just follow the necessary steps. And that's all. That's how you apply. And the name of the second website, you guys, it's Scribbleby.com. So Scribby says here it's a home-based, you work at your convenience. They pay $5 to $25 per hour audio. So they pay based on the length of the audio that you'll be working on, not based on how much time it took you. And they also say here they have short files, which is like 10 minutes or less, which is a good thing because you'll be able to do a lot of audios. And here it says 2 hours TAT, and that basically means that they give you 2 hours for each 10-minute file, and the TAT means turnaround time for each file. So yeah, it's also easy to apply it's also as easy to apply. And yeah, they pay via PayPal. Just stick around till the end of the video to find out how you can transfer your funds from PayPal and how to create a PayPal account in case you don't know how to create that. So yeah, guys, and also what I love about this one site is that they pay bonuses. So great, because they pay a bonus. They say they pay a monthly bonus for $5 for every 3 hours completed each month. So it's basically just you doing your job and you get a bonus. Makes sense, right? And surely in like a month's time, you would have completed 3 hours worth of like audio. So yeah, you are almost guaranteed to get a bonus of $5 every month, and it could be more than that. It depends how hard you work. And yeah, and there are also grades here, and they tell you like you can get promoted if you do this and that. And yeah, let me just skip the grades and the promotion thingy. But yeah, you guys will come here and read the grades and the promotion thing. It's very interesting if you go into it, especially the self-reviewer part. And the next website is Casting Words Workshop. So this is one of the websites where you can apply to be a transcriber, and it's definitely not difficult to get into this website. You just put in a few details, personal details, and then the next step is that you'll be asked to put in like a short description about yourself. And if you pass the vetting process, then you're ready to transcribe, just like that. And yeah, let's just get into the next website. I just want to show you the next website. Here it's GoTranscript, www.gotranscript.com, and it says here that they pay up to 60 cents per minute of the audio. So if we convert that using the current exchange rate, it's gonna be 15 multiplied by 0.6. So you get paid 9 rand for every minute. That's a lot of money. And it also says there that average earnings per month is $150. Remember, some people do this part-time, and the highest top monthly earnings, it could be up to 1,215. And you'll just click on this tab here to apply. And yeah, that's it. You're also gonna get a test audio here for you to apply. And yeah, the next website, you guys, is Quicktate. So with Quicktate, you can get onto the website, create your account, and you'll also get a page where they request you to take the test, where they send you the audio, and then you you also write the transcript and then submit it, and that's like your interview or your recruitment process, and that's it. And the website also says that they pay an average converted 75 rands to 150 per hour of audio. That's a lot of money too, and you don't require experience for this one too. And yeah, that's it for Quicktate. You guys can just go on to the website also and just see how everything works. Just go to you can also, I don't know if they have a frequently asked questions tab. They should have it, and just go over the website and try to see what they say in the frequently asked questions, because you might also have the same questions as other people. The next website that we're gonna go to is a SpeechPad, excuse me. So SpeechPad is the last website we'll be checking out. This website says that you need to have a typing speed of 40 words per minute. So you might be wondering, how do you know how many words you can type in a minute? So what you can basically do is just start typing anything, maybe like a sentence that you can think of, maybe with like 40 words, and then just time yourself. And if you haven't gotten to that point where you can type 40 words, I guess you can practice. And also, if you don't get into these websites where they need a minimum words per minute, then you can also sign up for the beginner ones. Like a lot of these websites that I mentioned here also take beginner transcribers, so you can improve your skills using that while earning money, and then move to the professional ones later on. So this website here states that they pay via PayPal every week, and beginners can earn around R3.75 per minute. That's for beginners. So yeah, those are the websites. And if you guys are still wondering how you can get your money via PayPal, because most of these websites do pay via PayPal, if you want to get paid in your bank, all you need to do is just you get the money through PayPal, and then from there you transfer the money to your bank account. So FNB has partnered with PayPal, and they are the only bank, I think, in South Africa that has partnered with PayPal. And all you need to do is just open a basic account with them. Like, you can have the cheapest account just so that you can transfer your money. And yeah, that's how you get your money to a South African bank account. Thank you so much, guys, for watching till the end of the video. I really appreciate it. If you found value from this video and something new that you didn't know before, please hit the like button, comment, engage, share. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.